Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. NatalieCallwoodArt. Today we're gonna do some resin on here. First time ever doing it on wood. Oh, scary. If you want to find out how it ends up, keep watching. Not the nicest job ever, but whatever. Close enough. Take this away because I want resin on here. Okay. So we have this. I'm gonna move this over. Now we gotta measure our resin. Oopsie. I don't think we need too much because it's not a very big piece. I'd rather make not a ton than too much. Got my glass jar. So we need. That's a pretty heavy glass jar. 200 grams. Wow. Okay, so I don't think, does it matter? I don't think so. So we're going to put the same amount of resin and the same amount of hardener. Okay. Oops, 51. I hope this is enough. I gotta get my gloves on. These things are getting sticky. I don't like the resin stickiness. And you have like 45 minutes before you have to before it starts setting.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnapped me.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put some dyes in. These are from resin dye. I think they're from Michael's. I can't remember what the actual name is of them. You shake them up. Just shake them. This is like this is a teal blue. So all blue ocean colors. Well, it looks like nobody's here. Oh well. Their loss. So you only supposed to put 10% of whatever you add to it, because otherwise the resin won't. Oh, blob. There you go. And the lighter one. Because I don't know how to take it off. Get my gloves on. Couple drops. There you go. Got that. And then this color. It's like minty, really turquoisey color. I'm doing this before, obviously, but because this is a live stream, I figured I can do it during the live. Okay, maybe a good idea. Now, this other one, I think I'm gonna put some white in it. White. I'm gonna put the lid on this one. Put some white into it for the waves. I have some little bit of white alcohol ink left here, but I don't know. Yeah. There you go. So now I'm gonna mix all these colors up. See if I have to put more. Ooh, look at this color. So pretty. Losing all my dark color here, so obviously it's not straight, so I need to put some under there. Another one. I got some darker powder. Let's see if that helps to make it a little darker. Got some mica powder here. No, it's not really dark. Much lighter. Darker. Let's see. It's helping a little bit. I guess I should have put that clear one up. Look at all the resin that's down here. Shoot. Too much. I'm losing lots of resin. Okay, let's see how that white is. Where's the white? Right here.
It's shining through the light in you. It shines so true.
Okay. Oh yeah, this one comes out somewhat. Oops. There. Kind of little sand pebbles. Need some more alcohol ink, obviously. Oh, actually, no. Where's this green stuff? I'm gonna put some more in here. Hope so I can get it out. Oops. Too bad about all that resin that's on the sided. A little bit more white. Alcohol really works well with for the waves anyway. I got resin in my hair. It's a new hairdo. I need a better heat gun, I think. Overall, it doesn't actually look that bad, considering. I think I did okay. So I'm gonna let this dry. Make sure this doesn't. I'm gonna try to have it a little more level because I'm losing a lot of resin on this side, nothing on that side. So. Okay, so this is all dry and cured. This is the other layer I had to put on because I didn't like how translucent it was. So it's a little bumpier now, but that's okay. It gives it a little more dimension. So I'm going to put a clear coat over here and then let it dry and show you guys when it's done. Okay, I just wiped it down with a cloth, with a wet cloth. A little soap on it. Make sure there's no stuff stuck. I don't know why this is so cloudy. I think it's because it's getting old. I mean, I don't have it that long, but I think it needs to be used up faster when you open it up, but since it's still working, it just has a lot of bubble problems. Sorry for the light to try to stand on top of it. So I can Okay, well, I'm gonna play a little more with it, and then tomorrow it'll be done, and then I'm gonna take the tape off.